What is up, guys? So in this video I'll be kind of showing you like what's going on. I actually have a video that's supposed to come out before this one, but I feel like giving you guys an update and maybe like actually doing some work, because we do have the videos that where we're actually doing stuff, but they are not really complete yet, as like we're still working on a lot of the cars. So like here's you one example right here is this little Subaru. Whenever it focuses, there it goes. So this is the STI that we got in, as well as we did get that blue car's engine back in. A lot of crap going on at the shop tonight. There is a Silverado with like a really screwed up knuckle situation where the hub assembly is actually really seized up in it, but that's customer's car. He was kind of doing his own work on it in front of our shop, which kind of sucks because, well, it's stuck here now, so we might move it with the jack. A little update on what's kind of going on. Here is basically a bunch of engines in a room. This is Kevin's new manifold that we're going to modify. It's kind of like old, I forget the brand, it's either Gretty or HKS. Old manifold, like I think discontinued in like 2004. Sweet manifold. We're going to modify it though, chop off those, do V-bands, and then make some external wastegate dumps. There's my RB still chilling over there because we're busy. My Skyline's over there. One GTR. Buddy's truck that's here. Z that's got some really bad rod knock. Oh no, you know what? Let me mute my phone really quick. Okay, and then this guy's car. So on the Audi behind us, we're doing some suspension work. I'll show you that later. On this one, we're going to be doing a Borla Atak Exhaust. Went ahead and I already got the back fascia off. Not too bad, just some bolts behind the license plate, some bolts behind the reflectors. Probably having a hard time hearing me. Some bolts down there. That's about it. Looks like somebody had already unplugged these valves, as well as it already has like flow masters on it. So that being said, that's probably what I'll probably do. I mean, Kevin had to go to the parts store to get some stuff for the Audi. But here is the Borla Atak for that. Oh my god. Sorry, you can probably hear my jacket squeaking, leather jacket. There is the Borla Atak Exhaust. So that guy needs to go on there. Left and right, in case that's not obvious. So, I guess I will probably just time-lapse myself doing some of that, and we'll see what's up. Alright guys, so Mason's here. Say hi, Mason. So I'm gonna drop off, I guess it's just an axle back. I thought it was a full cat back, but I think it's just an axle back. So going to still take off this plate right here, and then probably start taking off all the clamps and the hangers and see where we get. Safety squints, engage. Safety is number one. Yeah, they do. Look at that.
They gave us some good work. They did.
Alright, will you hold that up for a second?
Yes, sir.
Just one clamp. Those, I think. Yeah, I'm telling you, they like.
I think you're just like. It's really.
What is up, guys? So I'm gonna go ahead and close out this video before the camera battery dies. I know it's kind of crappy because of the light, but I will see you guys later. Thanks for watching. Thanks for staying tuned. Everything, all your support, I really appreciate it. We really appreciate it. And got some big stuff coming for you guys with the channel, of course, with upkeep, as well as like there's going to be like a name change deal that's happening soon. But anyways, please subscribe, guys. Like the video. The camera's about to die, so I will see you later, and adios.